Well, good morning, everyone. Storm Team 5 meteorologist Steve Villanueva here. It is going to be a hot one here in South Florida today. We're talking temperatures in the lower 90s, feeling more like the triple digits, easily feeling like 105 in some spots today when you factor in the humidity. So get ready for a real scorcher of an afternoon. Nowhere near the record highs, but still a very warm day across the area. And since we have such dry air in place, very little rainfall expected today and tomorrow. Otherwise, there's a look across, there's the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse right there. You can see a hazy start to the day with all the humidity in the atmosphere. Right now, 80 degrees at the airport. Humidity on the high side of the winds right now out of the southwest coming in at 6 miles an hour. Elsewhere, we're at 80 into Jupiter as well, 76 Vero Beach, middle 70s Lakeside. Just a couple of fair weather clouds drifting overhead here in South Florida. For us, high pressure is in control. It's a strong area of higher pressure. High pressure creates sinking air, which will keep the rain showers at bay today. With the southerly flow in place and with the high in place, it is going to be very hot. Temperatures heading into the lower 90s. And then you factor in the humidity, and this is what it's going to feel like today. 102, that's what it will feel like with the humidity into Vero Beach. 103 Okeechobee, from West Palm into Boca. It could feel like 107, so it's going to be very, very warm out there. In the meantime, in the Atlantic Basin, all is quiet, so no development is expected over the next 5 days. Likewise, into the Gulf of Mexico and into the Caribbean. But in the meantime, into the Pacific, the National Hurricane Center is watching this area right here within the next 5 days. There is a 50% chance of a tropical cyclone developing. This is in the Pacific, won't affect us at all. Obviously, if it does get a name, it will be the first one of the season. For them, its name will be Alvin. Otherwise, for today, 95, the forecasted high into Vero Beach. It is going to be a toasty, toasty day there. 94 into Indiantown, 92 West Palm, 93 into Boca. As we head into tonight, still quite warm and muggy. Temperatures generally in the 70s. Some of you right around 80 degrees. Here's the extended forecast. Today, 92, a 10% chance of a shower or a storm. So we can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, but that's about it. Otherwise, we're going to see partly to mostly sunny skies. Most of us are high and dry. Tomorrow, still very little in the way of rainfall, still quite toasty. Temperatures come down a couple of degrees as we head towards the middle of the week, even more so by the end of the week. At that point in time, the winds are easterly, bringing in some milder ocean air, but rain chances will certainly be going up by Tuesday.